Hello and welcome to day 11 of 12 days of holiday tapping. Today we're going to tap to remember our own magic. We're going to tap to celebrate our own magic. I don't want to say anything else because today's tapping is so powerful, so transformative, and so magical. So we're just going to get straight into it. Whenever you're ready, let's start tapping on the side of the hand. I think I'm forgetting how powerful and magical I am. I'm made up of the same energy that exists in the universe. Like, how crazy and wild is that? I'm literally the universe experiencing itself. I'm reminding myself today that I have magic within me. And no, that's not metaphorical. I am literally made out of magic and stardust. Science has proven it. So today I choose to stop playing small. I'm choosing to stop doubting myself. I'm reconnecting with my inner light, my inner magic, and I completely love and accept myself fully. Eyebrow point. I'm done doubting my magic and power. In this moment, I am completely enough. Just as I am. Exactly as I am. I don't need to look for answers outside of me. I can validate myself. I choose to celebrate who I truly am. Magic is real because I exist. I choose to embrace my inner light. I choose to shine so brightly. I want everyone to see me for who I truly am. I deserve to be seen. I deserve to be celebrated. My magic deserves to be out there. My magic is unique. And it's meant to be celebrated. I am a radiant being. I'm connected to Source. I'm proud of my own magic. So I'm choosing to celebrate myself fully now. I'm giving myself a pat on the back. I've been through a lot. And I'm still here. That shows me that I am indeed magical. That I can get through anything and everything. I am so grateful for my magical self. I'm actually in awe of my own power. I know that the world is a better place because I am in it. Because of my magic. My magic creates abundance. It creates joy for me and others. I celebrate myself. and the magic that I continue to bring to the world.